Oh shit! Well, here we are. Who's this guy? What is he doing? What is this board? What's gonna happen? Good question. We are a channel of just 2 people, and I'm the other guy. I was behind the camera in the other videos. And today I just got my second electric skateboard. I also have the boosted board Dual Plus V1, which you've probably seen in some of the other videos. But yeah, this is gonna be a unboxing as well as a first impressions video of the Backfire G2T. Let's get into it. God damn. Interesting packaging. Got some stuff, information here on the side. Ooh. And this right here, I can hear the board inside. Let's open it up. Woo! Yeah, so I ordered the so-called black and gold version of the board. I'm not a big fan of the Galaxy, even though it looks quite funky in itself, but no, that's not really for me. Here's the board, let's get it out. Ooh. God damn. Oh, what is this? Okay. Jesus Christ.
Stickers.
Stickers. All kinds of stuff. Oh, let's get this out of the way. So, wait, let me just get this out. So new, fresh and clean. Can't wait to get this messy. Oh, this warranty card. Looks really nice. Oh, I like that side as well. That red accent. Wow. Holy moly. So far, so good. Bunch of stickers here. You got the remote. I'm really excited about this one just because it looked to be really good. You can cruise control with this thing, and it's got the boosters and stuff. Reverse switch. Feels good. Power brick. Charging cable. Oh my God, got a bunch of cables here and what the hell? Yeah, you get the T-wrench as well. And of course you get a flashlight with the mount as well.
What?
Oh my God, that's pretty bright. Damn.
Is that mountable?
That's mountable, yeah, it's got a mount as well. Boom, sticking on the front.
For the nice.
Damn.
Easy.
Not bad. Pretty good. Yeah, let's have a look. What is this? It says XXL. And this seems like it's a shirt? Backfire shirt? Okay. It's got some nice decals. It says XXL, but this looks like a European medium or large or something. I can't believe how much you actually get for $600. I mean,
Spare wheels.
yeah, and you get spare wheels as well. You get the, what is this again? You get these as well, which are the 96mm wheels, opposed to the 86mm wheels. Or is it 84?
God.
83mm wheels. But these look really nice. I'm actually gonna put these on, not before the first impression. I'm just gonna ride this out of the box and see how it is. But wow, let's get this charged up and see how it rolls. Damn. Some nice ass weather. Turn on the board. so new. I almost don't want to ride it. All right, let's test it out. Oh my God. So it is supposed to be a little bit flexible. Not as flexible as the boosted. I can definitely feel that already, but still, it's got some flex, which is nice. Oh my God. It's really nice. Oh, that is so smooth. It handles bumps so well because it's got that like medium flexibility, which I really like. I mean, the boosted board was nice, but for like smaller, you know, like uneven tarmac and stuff like that, it wasn't comfortable at all. Like the board vibrated so much, you couldn't live with that at all. This is nice. I'm gonna try turbo mode. Oh my God.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. I mean, it's definitely got more kick to it for sure. I don't know if you guys saw, but there was a cop car going the opposite way actually. And
Let's see that.
I was a little paranoid there to give it full power, but I'm gonna try again.
Way quieter than the boost.
Oh
that
yeah,
thing.
for
You could hear
sure.
that far away.
You didn't, yeah, like when you had bikers in front of you, you didn't even need any ringtone or bell or anything. Oh, I love this. Let's hit turbo. Ah! Wow. Fuck, what it fits though. Oh my God, this air is amazing.
No cars.
I want to put on turbo. I think there's a.
Go for it.
I'm on cooldown with turbo right now. Oh, there we go. Full speed. Yeah, it's okay. It says 34, we're on an incline here. Oh my God, this area is so beautiful. And the roads are so nice. And that was the turbo. The turbo just went off there. It was still 37. I actually forgot to tighten the trucks. And I still got, I mean, it still feels pretty sturdy. It's really, it's really carvy, but at the same time, it's stable. It feels stable at high speeds. That's really nice. It actually says on the remote that I got 2 out of 5 bars left. So about 20%, about 40%. So far it's been a fairly long ride. I don't know how far have we gone so far? About 10 kilometers.
All right. Well, what a road. That's my
What
favorite
a
part of this
yeah,
area.
oh my God, I've never ridden this area before, just because my boosted doesn't have the range, but this one certainly does. So, all right. This time, slightly larger wheels. I got the 96 millimeters. Also tightened the truck a little bit. I can already feel the trucks feel much more sturdier now. I can already feel there's a much higher top speed. I don't know whether that's because I actually fully charged this thing until 100%, like until the light on the charger was actually green or not. I feel like that may have been the culprit. Let's get some speed going. I gotta say though, the acceleration curve is really comfortable. I mean, it's as good, if not better, than the boosted one, and that's really strange. Considering this is these are hub motors, and the boosted Dual Plus V1 is belt driven. So it's weird to have a board that can drive really fast, much faster than the boosted board, and yet still have a really nice acceleration curve. I like that. I mean, this ground right here is really horrible to drive on as well. If I was to drive on this with my boosted, I'd cry. Like, but it's good. It's good on the G2T. All right, that was a bit cheeky. That was cheeky. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was just the nicest family ever, and I just shat all over it. I did not care. That's bad. I'm sorry. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? This is so nice. I love this. This is really nice. I mean, you gotta also consider, I've only been riding this on like a few minutes now. This is my second ride, and I already feel super comfortable with the controls. Like, maybe that's just because I've had the booster board for such a long time, and I'm used to, you know, the same kind of system. But I thought it was gonna be really janky and stuff like that. No, not at all. Woo! Oh shit! Good thing I had a helmet on.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh. Huh?
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, my head's a little shaking. God damn. I was going a lot faster than I thought. I completely forgot about it.
You're all right though, right?
I'm all right, I'm all right. I'm really glad I had a helmet. I think my head took the hardest hit. Like, look at that. Oh, now I got the board all messy. God damn it.
Well,
yeah, if you don't know the route, or if you forget how the route goes, it's gonna go bad. We'll cut that out.
yeah,
Cut that out. All right, we're back. Wow, what a trip. Lots of different thoughts about this board. I guess we just can't do a single first impressions video without falling. As you saw, my God, I took a fall there as well. I mean, but I gotta say that was not the board's fault. That was purely my stupidity. I'm so happy I had a helmet on. For God's sake, wear your helmets, because I think that actually saved my life. My head went straight into a fence. This is just a first impression, so I'm not gonna make this way too long, but I gotta mention that I was a little bit disappointed about the range of this board. I think we went on our first trip and the ride was about 10-11 kilometers. We had to cut it short as well because the remote started vibrating and telling me that it was low on power. So I'll cover more on that in a later video. But I gotta say, otherwise I'm impressed. I mean, having changed the wheels really helped out with the top speed, and also tightening the trucks, a little bit more stability. The controls are really nice. The acceleration curve is very comfortable. And then the price, you gotta think about the price as well. For $600, you get a really amazing board. You get all kinds of stuff with it. You get a flashlight, you get a remote with LCD screen on it, telling you all the kinds of details, and extra wheels, tools as well to change the wheels and stuff. I'm really impressed. This is definitely gonna be my ride for everything now. Sound-wise, really quiet. I mean, my booster just, it screams. My booster would just, you know, would just yell at them. Would just be like, get out of the way. Whereas the Backfire here is just super quiet. Really like it, really dig it. But yeah, that's the first impression and unboxing of the Backfire G2T Black and Gold Edition. I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative. I hope it may have helped you on deciding whether you want to get this board or not. I would definitely recommend it. You can't go wrong with this kind of board for just $600. It's unbelievable, honestly, and I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, there's gonna be a review later on. Let us know if you would like to see that. Let us know what else you would like to see. If you'd like to see a comparison video of the Backfire G2T with perhaps the Inertian Raptor 2.1. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.